Welcome back, my name is Carrie, and today I've got big important news for the prefab home industry. Last week a new production facility was announced, which of course means that more homes are going to be built and maybe soon waitlists will be a thing of the past. A hot topic on the channel continues to be whether or not homes are actually available to be purchased, and this is a big step in the right direction. I'm not talking about this one company specifically, but I will be the first to admit that sometimes I get a little excited and talk about a concept years before they actually start building homes that people can buy now. Here's the thing, I'm not going to sit around and wait until a company delivers their first home before talking about who they are and what they're trying to do, because by that time it's old news and nobody's going to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. The end goal of any concept is to get to production. When the pieces start falling into place, it's a beautiful thing, and that's exactly what we're dealing with here today. The company I'm talking about is Tomu Haus, with their line of modular homes with a premium minimalist aesthetic that will be built out of a new-to-them facility. What I'm going to do is tell you about the facility, let you know why I'm excited about it, and check in on their pricing. Last week it was announced that Tomu Haus had signed on a new production facility located at the historic Hagerstown Regional Airport. My first thought when the news broke was, where? After a couple minutes on Ask Jeeves, I learned that Hagerstown is the largest city in the Maryland Panhandle with a population in and around 40 to 50,000 people. This is good news for people on the East Coast who have been up in the comments asking about options for their side of the states. The new spot will be close to major centers like Washington, New York, Baltimore, and Ononcock. There are companies that will ship homes across the country. There are companies that will ship homes worldwide. But if you can find something you like nearby, you can cut down on shipping costs, which will leave more money in your jeans, which we like. The new facility is 15,000 square feet, and it's noted in the press release that the move will enable them to expand their manufacturing capabilities and move into order production of its innovative modular building within Q3 of 2023. I'm not sure exactly when I'm going to post this video, but it's currently the last month of Q3 2023, so if the statement holds true, they'll have homes on the factory floor within 30 days. Depending on how long it takes to bang them off, we could see homes going to customers by the end of this year, or even sooner. In a statement, the founder and CEO said, "Our move to Hagerstown Airport marks the most significant step for Tomu since the opening of the first facility in 2021. The airport has been a hub for innovation and manufacturing since its early days, and we hope to reignite that legacy with the opening of this new facility." I realize a lot of people are likely sitting there right now thinking, okay, I'm listening, but who are these people and what are they building? And that's fair. I kind of put the cart before the horse on this one. Tomo was founded in 2020 by Chris Osaka to create a more sustainable future for hospitality using innovations in modular building to make hotels and rentals more efficient to construct, less wasteful to operate, and more accessible. What they've got is a line of villas starting with a studio up to a 2-bedroom that, like I just mentioned, will be going into production out of their new facility within the next 30 days. I've had my eyes on Tomu for a while now because I like the look of their homes. They made a compelling argument for modular construction in a recent Instagram post, which highlighted 5 benefits that make their homes a sustainable, efficient, and flexible solution. Number 1 is efficiency and speed. It says modular construction can reduce construction time by up to 50%. Number 2 is quality control, and they note that building in a controlled factory setting can reduce defects by 80%. Number 3 is sustainability, reducing waste by 52%. Number 4 is flexibility and scalability, with the ability to easily add modules. And number 5 is cost effective. It says modular construction can be more cost effective than traditional methods, potentially reducing costs by up to 20%. I could be wrong here, and obviously I can't speak for everyone who watches the channel, but I think most people tuning into the videos are more interested in homes for themselves than they are setting up a hotel. But don't panic. On their website it says, as a manufacturer of modular guest rooms for hospitality, we are excited to announce the offering of our turnkey Villa Collection dwelling product to individual non-commercial customers. To me that sounds like they'll sell to someone who's just trying to buy one. It's not like you have to buy a fleet of these things and set up a big operation. It's been brought to my attention that there are people out there who want more details on the build, so I thought I'd go a little deeper into what's included, and if people nod off, I'll know it's too boring. Tomu has uploaded some of the standard specs onto their website, and I wouldn't say they're skimping on what comes with these homes. Not at all. For the basics, the villa comes standard with cypress exterior cladding, spa-style bathroom with rain shower, solid surface quartz counters, wood flooring, cabinetry, and trim. It comes with an electric cooktop and dishwasher, high-efficiency mini-split, electric on-demand water heater, and it's plumbed for a washer-dryer. They've got a nice long list of standard features that I think people will be happy about, but a few stood out to me. The first is the spa bathroom. There is something to be said for a nice bathroom. I wouldn't say it's the single most important space in the home, but it is a spot to spend some quality time. What I like about the bathrooms in their villas is the rain shower and separate soaking tub. I've been known to absolutely cook myself in the shower for extended periods of time. Sometimes I just stand there and think the same trivial thought over and over until I run out of water. If you jump over the water sewage specs, more good news. These homes come with on-demand hot water, meaning I won't be limited on time. The second standard feature that comes with the Tomu villas that I am quite fond of, give it their signature look. That's the vertical slatted cypress. I'm not sure what the exact name of the look they've got going on is, but I know for sure that I like it. I get the feeling this team has more style than most. I can't say I'm the authority on style because I have very little, but I can recognize it when I see it. As mentioned, they're currently running a line of 3 different models, the smallest of which is a studio. The studio villa has dimensions of 20 by 24 with a studio layout that's different from a lot of others in the space. The main entrance is on the back of the home into the kitchen. From there, the plan opens up into the living room bedroom area and around to the bathroom. Key features on the studio villa are the dual sliding glass doors on the front and the spa-style bathroom. Like I mentioned before, they have the soaker tub and rain shower, which definitely gives off a treat yourself vibe. And I like that. The midsize unit in their line is 1 bedroom and 1.5 bathrooms, which has dimensions of 36 by 24 and a footprint of 864 square feet. I think this is probably my favorite model from them based on how I'm feeling today. A little extra space, but nothing massive that I'm going to end up filling with junk. The main entrance on the 1 bedroom villa is on the side to a bit of a landing with a coat closet, then it's wide open to the kitchen and living room. The living room has the dual glass sliding doors on the front that I think is a big part of the signature Tomu look. The bedroom also has outside access off the front of the home, so probably an idea to have a deck or outdoor space off that side. The 1 bedroom villa jumps up to 1.5 baths, ensuite in the bedroom and half bath out in the living space. The biggest unit currently being offered by Tomu Haus is a 2 bedroom, 2.5 bathroom model with dimensions of 56 by 24 for a total footprint of 1,344 square feet. The 2 bedroom villa is essentially a combo of the studio and 1 bedroom villa. You're pretty much going to get both wrapped up in one package. The biggest difference here is the kitchen from the studio section of the unit becomes an entrance, which I think is great because it gives people living or staying in it a bit of extra storage compared to the other 2 models. One of the most common topics in the comments is storage, and I will say this, I don't think anyone's ever said that something had too much storage. Never been said. There are very few things in life that people like more than the idea of being able to store things. Packing up all the stuff that at one point in life was a must-have and putting it away. Just in case one day you decide you need those black dressy shoes that are fully scuffed up from a questionable dance move performed at a wedding in Farmington, Missouri. Oh wait, that's me. Before I wrap this thing up, I am going to check in on their pricing, but keep in mind prices can and usually do change, but will be accurate at the time of posting this video. The studio is listed at $145,000, the 1 bedroom is listed at $235,000, and the 2 bedroom is listed at $325,000. Those prices don't include delivery, which will be determined by location and how far the home has to be shipped. Tomu Haus will be moving into a 15,000 square foot facility, and we're told will be producing homes within the next 30 days. They've designed a line of modular villas with premium commercial grade materials for durability and ease of maintenance. The villas look cool. They've definitely got an eye for design, and I think people will be excited to see these things get built. I've been following Tomu for over a year, and I'm not about to stop now, so keep an eye out for updates on what they're up to right here on my YouTube channel. That's all I've got for today. If you like manufactured home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.